guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video. And for today's video, we are going to be ragging the car about. Or ragging the car about because of one thing. And that one thing is actually the new COBRA exhaust on the back of the car. Oh, they said hi to you. So that is right, guys. Basically, for today's video, we are going to be doing my first drive. I've been on one drive for the install video. Oh! But this is going to be my first ever proper drive with the car. And honestly, look at this. I gave it a little bit of a quick clean today. So it's looking like a squeaky duck right now. Look at this, tyres shining. Mad. Because this is a new exhaust, it absolutely stinks while driving. I don't know if that's meant to happen, but I'm pretty sure all the oils and stuff that are in it right now. Oh my god, it's stinking, but it actually, you don't like petrol, it's a very bad smell, but you like it. I love this. A quick question for everybody watching. Everybody wants me to black out these wheels. Do I professionally get them done by somebody professional, which will be a shitter video, or do I do it, which will be a B-Tech job, but it'll make a cool video. So far, I'm honestly so happy with this exhaust. Honestly, driving it now, I think I cream every single time I upshift. It's a mad thing. Pretty much. Let's get this closed up. It is a beautiful evening to take this car out. Hopefully you guys like the exhaust, but pretty much, let's get in. Oh, they're the sponsors of today's video. Huge thank you to YFOOD. I'm about to let you guys in on my secret pleasure. Now, you guys might not have heard of YFOOD, but I'm here to tell you all about it today. YFOOD is actually a tasty yet affordable meal replacement drink. There's a bird there. You want some YFOOD, mate? Inside these bottles are actually a complete ready-to-drink meal full of all of the right nutritions your body needs. It is rich in protein, it has 26 vitamins and minerals, it is lactose and gluten-free, and each bottle has 500 calories, so it leaves you feeling full for 3 to 5 hours to avoid snacking on any junk food. My body is thanking you, YFOOD. Now then, YFOOD actually comes in a variety of different flavours, including alpine chocolate, smooth vanilla, happy banana, and a crazy coconut. And I left one out because this right here is empty, but it's all good because I got one here. This one right here is actually my favorite. It's actually cold brew coffee. As well as having all of the goodies in each of these bottles, cold brew coffee also has 100 milligrams of caffeine in. And I'm about to be running off the walls in about 15 minutes. I personally love to grab a YFOOD, especially the cold brew coffee, while working on the cars. I usually forget to eat, and YFOOD is super quick and convenient to have. This gives me the energy to power through and get the job done. If you guys are interested at all in trying YFOOD out, click the link in the description and use my discount code STUFF10 for money off. And also send me pictures of your YFOOD on Instagram and I will reshare as well as follow you. I'm letting you guys know about the sauce, alright? I'm letting you guys know. We're just gonna go on a little drive and show you guys the new exhaust. I'm actually buzzing. Like, the DSG noises are absolutely beautiful on this car. This is what I wanted. Like, you guys have been hearing this from me from the start when I've been like, yeah, I can't wait to get the exhaust done because of the DSG farts, but literally, we'll put it in manual straight away. And I think personally Volkswagen do this very nice thing where basically all the noise is cancelled. So even with I turned it on yesterday and I was like, that's not even that loud, but on the outside it's actually quite loud. Probably about the same loudness as the Corsa, but yeah, from the inside it doesn't sound like anything until you hear those crackles. Oh my god. Like, you know what? So, hold on. I felt like this car was getting a little bit it's just undramatic as fuck. So obviously that's what they're made for. They're not made for, you know, these are sold to normal people who don't want their car to be loud. But we've now got the Ram air filter in the front, and we've got the Cobra exhaust in the back, and I can hear the turbo from both ends. It's fucking beautiful, mate. Honestly beautiful. It's gone from like a model citizen to a psycho bitch, basically. It just feels a lot more fun to drive now. I'm buzzing. I'm fucking buzzing. Just feast your ears on this. Oh my god! Why I love this. I think it's true when they say, like, obviously an exhaust makes you feel quicker. My mum says, like, bruv, I feel so quick in the Corsa, but I'm only doing 50. It's true. You feel like you're going 100 miles per hour when you're doing, let's say 30. Ooh, I'm buzzing. I'm gonna die. Oh my god, that is a mean sound. Oh, you can smell that burning smell. Pretty much like the exhaust when it's, the car when it's boosted, it's building up that boost. Oh my, it's the most amazing sound ever. It sounds like literally a spaceship. Oh my god. I'm that guy. I'm that dickhead now. I think another thing I love about this Cobra exhaust is how it looks. I've actually even pulled them out a little bit so they stick out a little bit further than the stock ones, but obviously you've got the Cobra logo on the tips, and I'm actually thinking about burning these blue, so we have blue tips. Also, I love the fact that it looks like this little muffler is having a little piggyback on the car. It's so small. The stock one was literally like that big, and also right underneath it, it has the Cobra logo. I don't know if you guys can see, but pretty lit. Woo! Bloody hell, calm down, it's not a race. You know what I hated about having, like, I hated having a stock car. And like, you know when you drive past a modified car and it's like, oh, it's like, I do what you do. You know what I'm saying? I do what you do. I get excited over noises too. But, you know, with a stock car, when I didn't have the exhaust and the air filter on, I couldn't do that. And it still looks completely stock, really. So, can't wait to, like, get everything on it, like the body kits and stuff. Kill myself. No, it's a weird one, you know. It feels almost like a bit more powerful, or it's the sound, but I genuinely don't know. Like, the thing is, I think it's either the way I'm driving or it's the exhaust that's making people look at me and race. Every time I put my foot down in this car, somebody has changed lanes and fucking got a right behind me. It's amazing. It's the best feeling ever. This must be the weirdest thing to, like, aliens or something. If an alien is watching this YouTube video, they must be like, well, he's getting excited over, like, a pipe. Oh my god, that was like a bloop. That was like a fart, that was. Did you hear that? It literally, oh my god, I got a sore throat from screaming. I'm getting a bit dehydrated here. No, I'm hydrated. Going from such a silent car, which was the Scirocco before, you know, with the old exhaust, with 3 different silencers. So it had the muffler, the silencer, and another silencer. Going from that, how quiet it was before, to now, where I can hear the pops in the back, mate, it's actually like, I just can't wait to see what the car's like by the end of the time we've done it. It's such a small change to exhaust, but it really does change the difference, change the feel of driving. Can I just ask for it real quick, does an exhaust decrease fuel efficiency? Because I know that the Ram air filter has, because I'm filling up every fucking day. So with this exhaust on as well, oh my god, I don't even want to know. I don't even fucking want to know. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about the exhaust. I know a lot of you guys would probably have it louder, but I just can't see myself ever having like a straight pipe car or no muffler or anything. I don't know if it would even pass the MOT. Let me know. And literally the best part is, it's not even like the exhaust, it's both. You can still hear the whistling from the air filter and the turbo flutters. It's not even that drowned out from the exhaust anymore. It's drowned out when it fucking upshifts, because that shit is loud. There, that, it's like a dump valve. We're still getting a dump valve, 1000%. I'm just like doing the smaller modifications first. And I'm gonna be getting an alarm system on the car very, very soon. Literally, it might be on by the time you're watching this. And I will be able to remote start my car from my phone, and I will be able to hear it starting up from the outside. So the security is just one thing. The fucking remote start is another thing. So yeah. So long, it's 9:28. I left at 7. Just driving. The downshifts you can't really hear, to be honest. It just sounds like it was before, but I do believe that that's partly the fact that it's like really noise cancelling. Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus! That crackle is the loudest part of this exhaust. Oh my God. 9% of the time when I'm driving, I probably won't even push this car to the, to hear the exhaust sounds. It's just nice to know that if I was like, if I ever get into a street race or something, they know that I'm coming. They know I'm coming. I don't usually drive fast or anything, so it's just I love the fact that the exhaust is there for when I want it. You know what I mean? So overall, I'm really, really gassed with this fucking exhaust. Like, if you want to pick one up yourself, hit up COBRA exhaust, link is in the description. But anyway guys, hopefully you guys did enjoy. Follow me on Instagram at @the_OtherStuff, and subscribe if you are new for more exhaust content. Thank you so much for everybody's support. There's still so much more to come, and there's so much more that I can improve on. Windows down. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. And I will see your faces